Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to yet another session of professional
Good.
development. I hope everyone is doing good. So, as we had discussed last time, that there are lesson plans to be submitted for your work, which will be graded, which will be submitted to your schools. Your principals have been coming in to observe the lessons, the participation, the feedback that is being given by me, and it would be great if the lesson plans, the test plans, the assessment modules, the competency framework acceptance, and mapping of the plans as per accordingly, the curriculum and the plan accordingly, is actually does see the sight of the day inside your classrooms. It would be a great win for all of us if we apply the pedagogies that we started with the vision that we started with. So if you can see on your if you can see on your portals on LMS, you would see that I have submitted your feedback, all of you, for whatever pending activities that were there. So please make sure that all the submissions have been done accordingly, right? And there is nothing which is pending at your end, so that we can easily go ahead and work around the whole conversation of what is exactly the thing which is pending at your end. So please make sure that you are there and your submissions have all been done. So when we go to the courses and when we go to the courses option, anybody who has gone ahead and seen the feedback? Guys, have you gone back and seen the activity feedbacks with you? Would anybody like to share what they have, the feedback that they have received, and what is it that they generally feel that they would want to do with that? Am I not audible?
Yes, madam, we are checking.
Audible,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good evening. I would definitely like to see people sharing their feedback to me. What exactly is it that they have gone back and seen that they feel that they must have the conversation with also, so that we can start with the next session today. It's a very intriguing session that we are going to talk about today, which is project-based learning. Now, as we have done in the previous sessions also, we have talked about a lot of pedagogies. We have designed the activities for both assessment for learning and assessment of learning. So when we are looking at the lesson plan, we are looking at how you have designed the conversation regarding what exactly is the learning criteria that you have used. And I would definitely like to be more attuned to understanding that what exactly is it that you guys are now most happy about. What are those 2-3 things that you're going to take forward to your classrooms? Because what we're going to do today and going forward is 100% going to be very helpful for you in your classes. So it is important that you take this very seriously and do share your learnings of what has worked the best for you. So anybody would like to unmute and share their ideas, what they felt was the best thing they have done so far? Because I see a lot of new activities inside the lesson plans that you have shared. Anybody would like to share any specific thing that they really liked working with?
Good evening, ma'am. Myself,
Good evening,
Arvind
sir.
Singh.
Please go for it.
Yeah. From AVPS core, ma'am. Actually, after this training, most of the times, what changes come in my teaching, I included the case study based questions.
Okay.
And sometimes the story based, so the students take interest on those topics while sharing such
Okay.
studies, and they take interest also.
They take interest in that. That
Yeah,
is an
at the
addition.
same time, it's become so easy to explain the things to them and easy to teach to
Mhm.
them what actually our objective is.
Okay. So, what is about the case study thing that really helps you, joggle out that information from there for them? How do you think
Sometimes,
it is? Do you think it is
sometimes
worth
like
speaking?
yeah, sometimes like a solution of a particular problem that I utilize those you tell teachers like AI tools, ChatGPT and other
Mm-hmm.
things. Through that, I
Mm-hmm.
just write the topics and ask them make some case study on the basis of that, and that help
Okay.
us to quickly make those things. And the same, so after few changes, I share with my class.
Very nice. Very nice. So, I would like to also ask you, sir, like case studies is one conversation. Have you used any generative AI for any particular AI tool for using those case studies or generating case studies or generating anything else for your lessons?
When I utilize that Gamma one also,
Okay,
I
so you
think you taught us earlier, and for making
press
presentation.
right.
That was a literally very good tool that help a lot.
That helped a lot.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you so much, sir. Anybody else would
Thank
like
you,
to
ma'am.
share their ideas that they think has worked for them um after having done the lesson planning or designing the test? Come on, guys. I feel that everybody should be given an opportunity to express their ideas. Who would like to share?
Excuse me,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
also use design to scenario-based question and
Okay,
for and many different type of graphical questions for visual learners.
okay. So
And
you
I
work
use Magic School AI for
Mhm.
generating question of the multiple choice based question lesson plan and extra more things.
Very nice. So it helped you in planning your lessons better. Great.
Yes, ma'am. Very yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anshu sir, you would like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, with the help of Magic AI tool, just we are using the lesson plan, and
Oh, wow.
um, yes, ma'am. And and also my class observation was excellent by our principal ma'am, and
Very
and
nice.
um, and she told from where you learn this. So just I told her just I learned from the training which is which is given in AVE, ma'am. So that's why
Very nice.
just I told to student also, yes, you can also use the AI tools like Magic School and so many others.
Very nice. Very nice. But when we are even sharing these kind of learnings with our children, we also
Yes,
have to be very clear that, we are sharing a thought which is very important to use this, responsibly. It is
yes,
just
ma'am.
about that they should be given a tool where they can go and create stuff. Their creativity, otherwise, their innovation, otherwise, would definitely get depleted. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
वो
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
खत्म हो, वो क्रिएटिविटी कहीं जाए ना. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम उन्हें
Yes, ma'am.
बताएं ये एक टूल ऐसा है जिसे
Yes,
आप
ma'am.
इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको ये साइटेशन देना बहुत जरूरी है इसका, कि आपने ये चित्र, ये वीडियो, ये
Yes, ma'am.
टेक्स्ट एआई के थ्रू जनरेट किया था, तो
Yes,
वो
ma'am. Yes,
फिर सही चीज कही जाती है. ठीक है ना?
yes, ma'am. क्रेडिट देना वो मतलब वहाँ पे.
बहुत जरूरी है, क्रेडिट देना बहुत जरूरी है. बिकॉज
Yes,
किसी
ma'am.
चीज को देखिए, अति किसी भी चीज की बुरी होती है. करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes,
तो इट
ma'am.
इज
Yes, ma'am.
ऑलवेज बेटर दैट वी टीच देम दैट देखिए आगे आने वाले समय तो सिर्फ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का ही होने वाला है. आज से
Yes,
10
ma'am.
है जो आज बहुत सारी जॉब्स आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, रोबोटिक्स, आईओटी रिप्लेस कर रहा है. आने वाले
Yes,
10 सालों में शायद हो सकता है कि जो अभी एक चीज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कोडिंग के थ्रू नहीं कर पा रहा, उतने लेवल पे नहीं कर पा रहा जिसे हम एम्पथी कहते हैं. ठीक है ना?
yes.
तो एक टीचर टच कहते हैं हम, राइट, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि टीचर जो एक सम संवेदना के साथ, एक बहुत ज्यादा इमोशंस के साथ बच्चे को कनेक्ट कर सकता है, एक टीचर का रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है. राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आने
Yes,
वाले
ma'am.
समय में डिफरेंशिएटेड लर्निंग कैसी रहेगी हम नहीं कह सकते. आज से 10 साल पहले हमें आज का सिनेरियो नहीं मालूम था. करेक्ट? सो व्हाट
Yes, ma'am.
हैपेंस, वी डोंट नो. सो वी हैव टू मेक देम, it is the white elephant in the room. We have to make sure that they know how to use it responsibly. That's very important. Very
Yes.
well shared. Thank you so much, Anshu sir.
Yes.
Anybody
Yes.
like to share their learnings, Priyanka?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Ma'am, you told us the use of teachable machines, na?
Yes.
Ma'am, my students prepared a model of segregating degradable and biodegradable products,
Wow.
and they, ma'am, displayed it in the science exhibition which was conducted at the plant level. And ma'am, their
Wow.
project was appreciated a lot, ma'am. And the HODs, they were so happy to see the performance of the children,
Very
and
nice.
they want to implement it but at a bigger level in colony premises also.
वेरी गुड सर। मैम मैं आपको एक सजेशन दूं, एक बहुत अच्छा
Yes,
प्रोजेक्ट
ma'am.
हो सकता है जो ये आपने मॉडल तैयार किया है ना, आप
Yes,
बच्चों
ma'am.
को एक इसको आगे ऐसे लेके जा सकते हैं। आप उन्हें बता सकते
Yes,
हैं कि
ma'am.
बनाएं एक मोबाइल ऐप
Yes, ma'am.
यूजिंग टीचेबल मशीन।
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी सर।
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I also done the same, and the students were implemented that Google Teachable Machine code in that MIT App Inventor.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। ये देखिए जैसे एक इमेज क्लासिफिकेशन ऐप है।
Yes. In
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same, ma'am, they have done.
यस, तो ये आप अगर इस्तेमाल करेंगे और इसका एक मोबाइल वर्जन बनाएंगे, आई एम टेलिंग यू इट विल बी सच अ वंडरफुल वे बाय मींस ऑफ विच द चिल्ड्रन कैन एक्चुअली मेक समथिंग लाइक ये
Hmm.
जैसे हम एक छोटा सा
Hmm.
देखें अगर, मतलब
Yes,
ये देखिए
ma'am.
अगर आप देख रहे हैं ये फिश को स्कैन कर रहा है, ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
डिफरेंट
Hmm.
टाइप्स ऑफ फिशेस जो हैं उसको स्कैन कर पा रहा है, जो आपने
Hmm.
And ma'am,
डिग्रेडेबल
Weebly में भी इसको कर सकते हैं डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेट
हाँ जी बिल्कुल
की
इंटीग्रेट कर,
वेबसाइट।
बिल्कुल इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं आप, इट इज देयर। तो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं कि जो आप अगर इस्तेमाल करें, जैसे इन्होंने देखिए अगर टीचेबल मशीन का एक इन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया फिशेस के ऊपर, ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
एक क्लास
Hmm.
इन्होंने फिशेस की बनाई, आप बायोडिग्रेडेबल और डिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट का ऐसे
Yes,
आपने
ma'am.
मॉडल, ठीक है, ये देखिए जैसे ये बनाया, सैंपल
Hmm.
इमेज करने के बाद इन्होंने इसको ट्रेन किया, इसका मॉडल बन गया, ठीक
Yes,
है।
ma'am.
अब आपने सैंपल इमेज के साथ इसको वो किया, चेक किया, अब आपका ये क्वांटाइज मटेरियल बन गया, आपके पास लिंक आ गया, आप डाउनलोड कर लिया आपने मॉडल अपना,
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है। अब इसी
Yes,
तरह से
ma'am.
जैसे MIT ऐप इन्वेंटर हो गया, फ्लटर हो गया, या फिर
Hmm.
थंब, ये सारे वो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं where you can
Mm-hmm.
easily go ahead and make you can easily go ahead and make the way of creating a
Mm-hmm.
simple app. Like for example, when COVID came, right? At
Yes,
that
ma'am.
time, we were making use of children created simple projects of people are wearing mask or not wearing mask, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Mm-hmm.
they implemented, just say for example, you can give examples of these kind of things where we have like traffic lights, okay? Where so people who are crossing are not having proper number plates, those kind of things where image classification is required, right? So those
Yes, ma'am.
particular things can easily be picked up,
Hmm.
created for
Yes,
simple
ma'am.
projects like this, right? So अब देखिए जैसे
Mm-hmm.
इन्होंने कुछ ऐसे बनाया, ये कुछ इनका प्रोसेस है जो ये बना रहे
Mm-hmm.
हैं। अब ये देखिए जैसे
Yes.
इन्होंने दे आर मेकिंग अ प्रोजेक्ट in probably in Java, they're making it in Java. So maybe we can always look at other portals also in which you can actually look at, see, something like that. So ये किसी भी example में आप बना सकते हैं. It is not necessary that it has to be a mobile app only. All I'm just saying is you can easily do it in any particular language.
Mm-hmm.
तो ये मुझे सुनकर
Yes,
बहुत
ma'am.
अच्छा लगा. Thank you so much for sharing that
Ma'am,
idea.
ma'am,
Yes.
300 to 400 things they have collected, and ma'am,
Wow.
they created 2 classes. I will share the pictures also, ma'am, with you.
Wow, I would love to see that before we end the session today. It would be great to have that kind of an example with all of us, because that is
Yes,
what the
ma'am.
jinx of today's activity is going to be about, project-based learning and how you're mapping the competency of your curriculum with them. Great job. Anybody else would like to share before I proceed? Okay, so let's come back to now another very exciting conversation, which is regarding that we have been talking about children learning by doing. What does it mean by children learning by doing? Basically, the concept works with where we are saying that it's very important that the sync is there. If the sync between the competency example, the lesson plan that we are looking at, the approach that we take to teach a particular project. I would rather, Priyanka, could you unmute yourself? Priyanka? Priyanka, ma'am? Okay. We will take this forward again. So my question here goes to is that, let's understand, what do you understand by the active learning? What do you mean by breaking down a bigger step into smaller steps, right? And how we can make sure that it's just not about, today I'm going to make a project on how to make tea or how to create a mobile app or how to do something else. Every project title needs to be broken down into related conversations. Otherwise, it does not become a success story. How do we do that? So we go for how do we decode the competency framework? So most importantly, we've already discussed that, we have those competencies. We talked about those skills like critical thinking, communication, teamwork, problem solving. So whenever there was another example that was raised right now was about case studies. Some of you discussed that, when the children look at a case study, they can either research as a group, they can either work as a teamwork, and then present the possible solutions, right? So ये जो आपके skills हैं, remember these skills are actually, when you are mapping it to your learning objective for a certain day, for a certain lesson, these are, ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम कहेंगे कि आज आओ चलो हम critical thinking सीखेंगे. These are the things जो automatically आपके learning objective में mapped होनी चाहिए, और at the end of the lesson ये आपको समझ आ जाना चाहिए कि क्या ये बच्चा जो मेरा plan था, has that been successfully done? Were the activities planned in this session good enough for students to critically think about a possible solution? Right? Most importantly, हम इसे एजुकेशनल फ्रेमवर्क में कैसे लेके आ सकते हैं? जब हम उनको रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस देंगे. जैसे अभी प्रियंका मैम ने शेयर किया कि they created a conversation, they created a simple project for science where it was easy to digress between, it was easy to understand between the biodegradable and degradable waste because they were able to identify that, right? So when students are prepared with real life challenges, I think they relate more with that. So whenever there is a gap that needs to be filled, अब आप लोगों ने कितने ऐसे activities during the past 6 sessions जो हम लोगों ने किए हैं, हमने कितनी hands on activities करी हैं, आपने networks के ऊपर, data structures के ऊपर, network topologies के ऊपर, network angles के ऊपर, कितनी चीजों के ऊपर, Python के ऊपर, Boolean algebra के ऊपर, SQL में कितनी conversations ऐसे रहे हैं which you have picked up and shared that these are the ones that we should be making use of, जिसको करके आपने ये skills को encourage किया, ना सिर्फ अपने लिए, अपनी टीम के लिए भी. सबसे important चीज है कि सिर्फ randomly कोई चीज नहीं उठानी. जब आप लेसन प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं या जब आप अपने टेस्ट प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो असेसमेंट प्लान्स हैं, चाहे वो फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट्स के लिए हैं या समेटिव असेसमेंट्स के लिए हैं, क्लास लर्निंग के लिए हैं, डिफरेंशिएटेड लर्निंग के लिए, स्पेशल नीड्स बच्चों के लिए हैं, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि स्किल जो है वो प्रॉपरली आपके प्लान में एनालाइज करने के लेवल पे हो, मतलब आप उसका यूज प्रॉपरली करें. सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए नहीं करना, करने के लिए करना है. दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, नाउ प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग जो है वो है क्या चीज? बेसिकली इट्स एन इंस्ट्रक्शनल मेथड जहां लर्नर्स जो हैं दे नॉट ओनली गेन द नॉलेज, दे वर्क द स्किल्स ऑल्सो. ठीक है, आप उनको चैलेंजेस दीजिए, आप उनको क्वेश्चंस दीजिए, आप उनको प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स दीजिए, यू गिव देम दोस कॉन्वर्सेशंस वेयर दे हैव टू फॉलो कि ये बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, इसको हम टीम में अगर 3 लोग हैं हम इसे ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे एंड देन वी विल कम बैक. जैसे ही आप इन सब चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं, automatically what happens is the 21st century skills are automatically embedded. You are using technology, you are using teamwork, you are using the learner's instruction method, and they delve deeper into the content to understand the content kya hai and how we can make sure that this is utilized for completion of our project. Now it is not necessary that the project has to be of a very large scale. देयर कुड बी अ स्मॉल एक्टिविटी जो मे बी आप एक दिन में भी खत्म कर सकते हैं या एक महीने में भी खत्म कर सकते हैं, राइट? So whenever we are looking at, making sure that we are trying to do some kind of projects, the crafting of the title has to be very, very clear. Like, जो की प्रिंसिपल्स हैं प्रोजेक्ट के, जैसे कि अगर हम बायोडिग्रेडेबल वर्सेस डिग्रेडेबल वाला एग्जांपल उठाएं, यहाँ पर की ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था? प्रियंका, आई नीड यू ऑन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद मी, कैन यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ प्लीज? आई वुड
Yes,
लाइक टू,
ma'am.
हाउ डिड
Yes,
यू
ma'am.
अनफोल्ड दिस? सो फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे प्रियंका मैम, आप हमें बताएं, जब आप देख सकते हैं कि ये एक रियल वर्ल्ड एग्जांपल था, करेक्ट? आप लोग एक प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन आपने बनाया, आप हमें बताएं व्हाट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन बिहाइंड इट, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, आपने आपके स्टूडेंट्स को क्या क्या गाइडलाइंस दी, आप उनको क्या चाहते थे कि वो क्या सीखें, एंड हाउ डिड दे गो अबाउट इट बिफोर दे वन इट? तो क्या आप हमें थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड बताएंगी इसके
Yes,
प्रोजेक्ट के?
ma'am. Ma'am, the first thing I want to teach students that AI can be used in a very beneficial way. The
ओके।
things, the things which are very much difficult for a human being to segregate waste is a difficult task for a human being, and AI can do it very easily. So
ओके,
that temperament I want to develop among my children.
तो ये स्किल था
And
आपका,
second,
you
yes,
wanted them
ma'am.
to use a technology, you wanted them to learn a 21st century skill of
Yes,
using
ma'am.
the knowledge and technology together, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which was
Yes, ma'am.
mapped to a real world example. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ये आपका
Yes,
प्रोजेक्ट
ma'am.
का इंस्पिरेशन और लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव था। अब आप हमें
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
बताएं कि आपने इस प्रोजेक्ट को अनफोल्ड कैसे किया?
Ma'am, time was less, and children they came to me, ma'am, we have only a week in hand, and we want to do something different. So, ma'am, it did not take a lot of time. Just they have to collect, but simply it can be done. It was not very difficult that they have to learn coding or anything else. It was a very simple task which they can implement by themselves. Little guidance of teacher they needed. That I provided them, ma'am. And actually, ma'am, they connected the same thing with a conveyor belt, and
Okay.
the waste was rotating on the conveyor belt, and there was a mobile phone they have kept in front of that conveyor belt, and it was telling them that this is biodegradable and this is
Wow.
non-biodegradable.
Wow.
And ma'am, can I show you the pictures, ma'am?
Yes, please go ahead. If you have it on, it would
Yes,
be great
ma'am.
to understand actual example. I'm just
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
stop sharing.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing my screen, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
My screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Okay, very nice.
And this is how
These
they
are,
have presented, ma'am.
these are your students?
Yes, ma'am. Class 8 students, ma'am.
Lovely. Oh, they
And ma'am,
actually
one more.
using a handle and a conveyor belt. Wow,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
very nice. Very nice.
And it was not totally automatic, but
Yes,
a
had to be.
idea, a prototype
Yes.
of a project they have presented, ma'am.
देखिए, आइडिएशन इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट, बिकॉज जब आइडिया आ जाता है
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
कंस्ट्रक्टिव वे भी बन जाता है. एटलीस्ट द आइडिएशन वाज डन वेरी वेल. Ma'am, can you
Yes,
just leave
ma'am.
it on the screen for a second?
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else would like to ask
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka ma'am a question on this strategy, on this activity that was done? Anybody would like to ask them? From the group, anybody has a question?
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I want to
Yes.
know the whole process. How can it arrange, matlab, working? Please kindly explain me.
Sir, first of all, I asked the students to collect the samples of biodegradable and non-biodegradable products. They have collected 300 to 400 samples of like use plastic bottles and many other things. And we have created teachable two classes in the Teachable Machine app, and they have fed the photos of those things. And like you can see in the picture that they have connected a conveyor belt with a laptop. On the laptop, they opened the Teachable Machine, a
Mhm.
link they have opened, and ma'am, if anybody, they rotated the waste items on the conveyor belt, and the
Mhm.
Teachable Machine was identifying that in which of the bins this type of waste is to be put.
Hmm.
This was the complete, ma'am, projection of the model that they have. And it was not, I'm telling you that it was not fully automatic.
नहीं,
Manual things, some are involved because मैम robotic kits वगैरह इतना कुछ कराने का मेरे पास टाइम नहीं हो पाया था.
हाँ
तो मैम
जी.
एक सिंपल प्रोटोटाइप ही प्रेजेंट किया था बच्चों ने, बट इट वाज लाइक्ड बाय ऑल मैम.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is a great example. Anybody else would like to share a question over here? Anybody else would like to see? अच्छा, overall learning की अगर मैं बात करूं, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
don't stop sharing. Don't stop sharing. Please keep sharing the
Okay,
screen.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I just wanted to know overall आपके students का response क्या था? एक तो of course वहां पर जो लोग रहे होंगे उन्होंने
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा response किया होगा. Overall
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चों का क्या learning था? What did they say that they have learned?
Ma'am, they have learned. मैम टीचेबल मशीन उनको यूज करना आ गया अच्छे से. और
Okay.
मैम पूरा उन्होंने एक पूरा मैम चार्ट्स बनाए थे, पूरा सिनॉप्सिस अपना प्रेजेंट किया. और
Mm-hmm.
मैम उन्होंने सबको बताया कि हमने ये प्रोजेक्ट कैसे बनाया है.
Mm-hmm.
मैम इट डेवलप्ड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस इन देम.
Mm-hmm.
एक मैम जो साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट होता है वो बच्चों का डेवलप हुआ. और
Right.
मैम बस एक मैम हमको तो एक स्पार्क देना होता है बच्चों को, बाकी तो
Very
चीजें वो
true.
खुद ही कर
Very,
लेते
very,
हैं मैम.
very true. Very true.
बस मैम वही.
बहुत बहुत ही बढ़िया एग्जाम्पल आपने दिया. थैंक यू सो मच प्रियंका. आई वुड
थैंक
लाइक
यू.
टू कैन यू ऑल्सो टेल दैट अगर वो कोई एक चीज थी जो बच्चों ने कही कि हमने बहुत ही मतलब they would have taken, I would say, if I were to say, for example, if I would have said, let's say, एक second, मतलब कोई एक ऐसी चीज that they take forward from it. Of course, it's a life skill that they have learned, but other than scientific temperament and a 21st century skill, what was the most high point for them?
Responsibility for future.
Very nice, very nice. That's a wonderful example of going ahead and giving the children an opportunity. So I would recommend that this is something that all of us should try. Okay, I would like to share something with you. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can stop sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to show you something over here. Maybe I think it will. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
एक second रुकिएगा. Okay, I want to show you something which will be very interesting for you to also watch. Just look at this video. I want you to watch this and see. So now this is actually an actual example of how you can use the same conversation जो अभी आपने teachable machine से किया, where you can actually give the example to the students also of how to go about it. I just want you to see this video and then I will share about it. Look. Can you hear the audio?
No, madam.
कोई बात
No,
नहीं, आप
ma'am.
सिर्फ वही देखिए और अगर आप सिर्फ वीडियो भी देखें, एक सेकेंड. Look at it again. Yeah. And
Now audible.
Audible.
so this is basically this is basically a solution that was created by a group of 3 students, and they have called it trash tag. And they were supposed to, wherever there is waste happening, so they created a mobile app on which the waste detection could be done, geotagging of the location where it was done, and then on-demand pickup with a specific NGO for that type of classification could also be done. So if you could just look at this small video, a very small example, check this out. So this was a very small example of how you can go about it, because what we were talking about, using it for creating. So this was my team that just won this using coding hackathon. This is 11-12 students that went ahead for it. So there was one organized event by Delhi government for Delhi Board of Secondary Education. So the students participated in that. So all I'm just saying is, when you give them real life examples,
Congratulations, ma'am.
yeah, they were overall winners. So
Yes, congratulations, ma'am.
yeah, it is actually a great learning experience for the children also, क्योंकि हमें इतना सीखने को मिलता है. तो
Ma'am, may I something about regarding
just
that?
give me 1 second, sir. Just give me 1
Yeah.
second. I just need to change the audio. Just give me 1 second. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am, actually that project uses Python and OpenCV library.
No, sir. Wait, let me just share the screen again without audio. Yes, sir. What were you asking?
In which platform I actually made that through Python and OpenCV library, ma'am?
So no. So there was the model was created using TensorFlow and Keras
Okay.
in Python, and the training of it was approximately, I think, 75,000 images were used for
Okay.
training the model.
Yeah,
Right?
because right now I'm working with one of the group of the students. We are making using the same through PyCharm. Actually, PyCharm is the platform where we are making the projects.
So the
And
children,
OpenCV is the library.
the OpenCV they did, but the challenge was they picked up more using they picked up a
Exactly.
lot.
Yeah,
They
training
generated
data.
a
Training
lot
data
of
is most
images.
important.
They generated a lot of images using for training the model. They
Yes.
use AI for generating, and then they also use some real life Google APIs for
Okay.
getting images from different locations. That was number one.
Yeah.
Then the platform that they used was Flutter, and
Okay.
also used Flask for creating it. So basically, the idea was using Flutter and Python.
Okay.
And once published, this app can be utilized on any iOS, Android, anywhere you can use it. So that is, so again, I'm saying, like, I don't know how to use Flutter. This is, I have learned
Yeah.
from my students. So while I was good at TensorFlow and Keras, and there were 3 children, one was very, very good at generating AI based images, and the other 2 went in with AI and machine learning. They really delved deeper into it. So बच्चों को, जैसे अभी आपने एक, प्रियंका ने एक एग्जांपल दिया कि हमें एक साइंस टेम्परामेंट जनरेट करना था. उनको
Exactly.
the thing that they are going to be always remembering in their life is what they did and what a push they got. So the second team did not win. Second team, but was awarded for coming to the top 16 teams in the city.
Yes. Yes.
So even to reach out of 500 to the top 16, those 11th graders who started learning Python 6 months ago, they are filled with a high. So that's what I'm saying. When we give them real world relevance examples, and complexity balance करना बहुत जरूरी है. And
Yeah,
एक चीज
exactly.
highlight करी was the time complexity. Sometimes when we are designing our projects, it's not always that we are going to have that kind of time available, because all of us are computer teachers. We do 25,000 things other than what we are teaching them. So most of the times I would recommend is that put the onus on them, because today's generation is so fast forward that you can rely on them to do a lot of self learning. If the children are ambitious enough, if you inspire them enough, they will always go ahead and create that status for them that people recognize for the smaller wins that they do. They did not win any cash prize, they did not win any.
Exactly.
But the thing that they have learned for life is that if they know the idea of how to work on a project, like ideate something, design
Exactly.
something, like for example, Priyanka's example was so valid right now for today's workshop, because she did accept that what is the policy happening, that the conveyor belt was not automatic. The segregation was only getting with the mobile app, or probably with the screen that was capturing the video कि ये किधर जाना चाहिए.
Exactly,
वो
ma'am.
एक step 1 है. It's a big thing for students of grade 8. अगर वो 8th में इतने inspired हैं, imagine what they could do by the time they reach 12th. Right? So,
Yeah.
and most importantly,
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
saw in the picture that Priyanka ma'am shared, there were 4 students, right? They were collaborating together. They worked on the strength of the team. And that is when the team wins. Nobody joins a team for charity. They join a team for learning. They understand that when, अब अगर मैं आपको कहूँ, नर्सरी में तो चलो एक नर्सरी टीचर आता है क्लास में. Whenever we talk to nursery teachers, they are the mother teachers inside the classroom. They teach all the languages, subjects, drawing, everything one person is teaching. But tell me to your heart, can you be a teacher who can teach a student English, physics, chemistry, mathematics, computer science, business studies, economics all together? No, you can't. A success of a student's result will only happen when they will be able to do what? Learn from 5 people for their 5 subjects. तभी एक student successfully grade 12 को graduate करेगा और grade 10th को graduate करेगा. Correct?
Yes, right, ma'am.
So all of you are working together as a team to make sure कि how the student success is attributed to him. So it's very important कि learner का focus जो है, learner is the focus of the learning. ठीक है? This is not about me or this is not about you कि हमने बच्चों को बड़ा से प्रोजेक्ट कराया. हमारा फोकस क्या है, हमारा एपिसेंटर क्या है, इज द स्टूडेंट, कि उसका लर्नर ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीव हुआ कि नहीं. अर्थक्वेक आता है, कोई ये नहीं पूछेगा दिल्ली में कितना वो फर्क पड़ा, यहाँ पे दुकानों में क्रैक आया कि नहीं. दे विल ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट कि एपिसेंटर पे सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम था. तो अर्थक्वेक का एपिसेंटर क्या था, जहां पर भी हुआ था, स्टार्ट हुआ था. सिमिलरली हमारे लर्नर की प्रोजेक्शन कितनी दूर तक जाएगी, डिपेंड करेगा लर्नर ने कितना सीखा. Right? So his interest, his needs, and the pace at which they can do is very important. So, and most important is just not about making them do a project for the heck of doing the project, or collaborating to understand that they have learned the skills of critical thinking and all any of the 21st century skills we talk about. Reflection is very important. What did they learn? And I'm sure, Priyanka, that is the question I was asking you, that what was the one thing or 2 things that they have learned for life? And that
Yes,
is
ma'am. And teamwork.
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 Wherever they go, they will always, as an individual, recognize the strength of the other person. They will always
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
rely on those people who are going to help them become better learners, right? So
And
to
ma'am, one more thing I want to share that ma'am, there were 150 total number of models in the exhibition,
just imagine.
but this group came first, ma'am, just because they used the future technology. It was
And
liked by the people a lot, ma'am.
so that's what I'm saying. Guys, do you hear the moment of the voice of proud in the teacher's voice? Do you feel proud of them, Priyanka?
Yes, ma'am. Congratulations, Priyanka, ma'am. Well done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
hear that?
ma'am.
Just
Congratulations, Priyanka ma'am.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
learned something
Congratulations,
somewhere.
ma'am.
Thank you.
You
Thanks,
learned something
everyone.
somewhere, and today your students have made you proud. You are recognized not as Priyanka, but you're recognized as those grade 8 students teacher who taught them that skill, right? So
And
just
ma'am,
like,
and ma'am, I do not teach their class. They
and
came to
imagine
me,
that.
and ma'am, I did not tell anyone in the school that I have helped them. They told themselves.
So
Priyanka ma'am helped us. Then later
मैंने
on, when people asked them who helped you in this project, then they
हम्म,
told everyone that Priyanka ma'am helped.
so
Then
प्रियंका मैं
everybody was
आपको एक चीज कहती हूँ ना कि माय मेंटर हैड टोल्ड मी कि कभी भी आपको बताने की जरूरत नहीं होती कि आप कितने ग्रेट हो. आपको छत पे खड़े होकर चिल्लाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि यू आर ग्रेट. व्हाट एट्रीब्यूट्स टू योर सक्सेस इज योर वर्क. तुम्हारा काम बोलेगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक मेरा काम सफल हुआ. That's what I would say. And I think these sessions are all about, understanding each other, understanding एक ने क्या किया, दूसरे ने क्या किया. And I think when we have shared lesson plans, whenever we have shared over here the learnings that we have done in our classes, I think all of us have learned something or the other from each other. That's very important that we take those skills with us. Okay. So most importantly, when we are talking about reflection, it's very, very important that we do a continuous learner reflection at one point, whether it is through performance based tasks, whether it is through self assessment. हाँ, हम आज कहाँ खड़े हैं, हम आज से 3 महीने बाद कहाँ होंगे, what is the peer review our friends have given, our teachers have given, and how we need to work better on that for a better portfolio assessment. That's very important. Very, very important. And most importantly, like what Priyanka also shared was, and sir, Anshu sir had also shared earlier, was the time constraint and the resource scarcity. So if you're looking at using Magic School AI for creating your plans or creating your resources, creating your presentations using Gamma, it's okay. It's okay. Nobody is perfect. But if we have a technology like that, अब अगर मेरे पास गाड़ी है तो मैं अपने घर से स्कूल गाड़ी पर ही जाऊंगी ना. मैं बैलगाड़ी लेकर तो सड़क पर नहीं चलूंगी because that is a technology which is available now, right? Or am I going to ride a horse to the school? No. So with changing times, we have to adapt ourselves to the newer technologies. And when we are doing that, we attribute to it. We annotate, we give the due credit to that technology that yes, I come to school by car. Great. Maybe it's not a big deal, but when you do the same thing in the other scenario where you're using AI to generate the same menial task, same clerical task, why don't we attribute to it? Coming to school, driving a car is also one everyday task. हम कहते हैं ना हम गाड़ी से आए, तो हम ये क्यों नहीं कह सकते कि ये प्रेजेंटेशन मैंने AI से बनाया, right? So start attribution because the model because what you want your students to do. When I say citation of the images, when I say give due credit to whatever you're using, the moment you start doing it in your classes, children will follow your example. That is what it is called as being unsung heroes. And do not resist to change. It's very important that we look at that. So whenever we are overcoming these challenges, they give us a lot of success stories. Like, we have looked at the triumph, the proud teacher who shared the wins of the children today, the community projects the impact that they can create, that can be done. And most importantly, we make them aware. It cannot be like, chalo, aaj hum wo baat karte hain. How many of you have actually seen this campaign, which is called Save Soil? Have you heard of it? I think Sadhguru has been talking about it. #Save
yes,
Soil for
ma'am.
ages,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
And
ma'am. Yes,
हम
ma'am.
मिट्टी को क्यों बचाना है? What is there? मिट्टी तो मिट्टी है. But अगर
Pollution.
पोल्यूशन से, आपके डिफॉरेस्टेशन से मिट्टी खत्म होती गई, तो एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि दुनिया में क्रॉप्स ही ग्रो नहीं करेंगी। इंसान क्या खाएगा? सारा इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस हिल जाएगा। सो व्हेन वी आर डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, we need to make themselves connected with these kind of projects so they know what it is that we are talking about inside the class. हम कहते हैं मिट्टी क्या है? मिट्टी तो ठीक है, मिट्टी को क्यों बचाना? But when we talk about global engagement, about climate actions, when we talk about United Nations goals, this is what we are talking about. So when I'm going to wrap up this exploration today, because we are going to do one very small activity. Let's test this out in today. क्या हम 30 मिनट्स में वो कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा भी टाइम कॉन्स्टेंट है, करेक्ट? तो क्या हम एक ऐसा एग्जाम्पल बना सकते हैं? बिल्कुल बना सकते हैं. सो हाउ डू वी डू दिस? हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू डू दिस? You will go to your LMS. I will open breakout rooms. When you go to your LMS, you will see कि मैंने एक एग्जाम्पलर दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? अगर आप इस एग्जाम्पल को देखेंगे तो इस एग्जाम्पल में मैंने आपको एक जिग्जो एक्टिविटी का डिटेल दिया है, राइट? जिसको आप आराम से अपने टाइम पर एक टॉपिक के लिए एज एन एग्जाम्पल, नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजीज के लिए मैंने कुछ आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दिया, ठीक है? तो हम क्या करेंगे, आप इसको आराम से अपने आप से कर सकते हैं और एग्जाम्पल एप्लीकेशन भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं कि ये आप अगर अपनी क्लास में ट्राई करेंगे तो कैसा लगेगा. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज. तो वो वाली एक्टिविटी आज हम ये करेंगे कि व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू, यहाँ पर एक क्लासरूम एक्टिविटी करके आपको दिखाया गया है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड द होल ग्रुप इनटू 4 to 5 ग्रुप्स. Each group will be called star. Group 1 will be called star. Group 2 will be called bus. Group 3 will be called ring. Group 4 will be called mesh. Group 5 will be called hybrid. Okay? I'm just going to post this. So every group is going to be doing what? They are going to, wait, why are you not posting to everyone? Okay. So group 1 is going to be, wait, right? So star is going to be group 1, bus is going to be group 2, right? If you can read, I have explained over here what the activity is going to be. I have created one presentation where everybody will work only on their 3 slides, right? So every group has to come up with 3 slide information about all of them. Then all of you will come back, and I think this is the approach you've taken earlier also, right? Can you see this? I've put it on the on this, right? And this is what the presentation is. I am just going to copy the link and post it on the chat for everyone. So when you go there, you will open the groups and you will see that this presentation opens. Now what you're going to do over here is, so what happens is, so group 1 comes here, they will write their team members' names over here. The definition for star topology, type it out over here. They will go to the next slide. Whatever important points they think that need to be discussed about, 1, 2 points, 3 points, which can attribute कि star topology क्या होता है. Put a diagram over here. Third slide is what are the pros and cons of this topology. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? Similar, but only group 1 will work on these 3 slides because they are star topology. Okay, so group 1 works on star topology. ठीक है? उसी तरह से the other topologies will work, the other groups will work on their respective groups. ठीक है? Is there any doubt that anybody has? And then as a group, I will be assessing you, right? And then there is one small 5-question quiz that you have to do, which you can discuss. So we are going to fix the, everybody is going to be a part of the puzzle, right? And they will do their particular task. So please make sure कि जब आप दूसरे लोग बताएंगे, आप उनका ध्यान से सुनेंगे, because उसके बाद आपको एक टेस्ट देना है, ठीक है? So we are going to model this behavior today in our class, and let's see if we are able to successfully teach each other about this, right? So I'm just going to open the breakout rooms. Whoever is is anybody having a doubt? Please unmute and ask me a question. And everybody has to join this. Okay, this is the assessment for today, because there is no further assessment of making a plan or anything else, but the assessment for today needs to be done inside the class today. Okay, अगर किसी को डाउट है तो प्लीज मुझसे पूछ ले.
Ma'am, how we will enter in the class, ma'am? How group is divided, ma'am?
I'm just making it.
Okay.
I'm opening. If you can see, I'm going to give you people, let's say 20 minutes to do this, right? आपके पास सबके पास सेम प्रेजेंटेशन पे ही काम करेंगे, आप सिर्फ अपनी स्लाइड पे ही जाएंगे. तो अगर ग्रुप 1 है तो ग्रुप 1 किस स्लाइड्स पे काम करेगा, कौन सी स्लाइड्स पे काम करेगा? 1 2 3, दैट्स इट. बाकी स्लाइड्स पे काम नहीं करना. ग्रुप 2 जो है कौन सी स्लाइड्स पे काम करेगा? रूम 2 वाले. ठीक है, रूम 1 मतलब ग्रुप 1, रूम 2 मतलब ग्रुप 2. ठीक है, क्लियर है सर?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सिर्फ 3 स्लाइड्स पे काम करना है. नाम लिखना है, डेफिनेशन, उसका एक डायग्राम इंटरनेट से डालेंगे, एंड इसके अंदर आपको ये भी दे रहे हैं, कुछ कुछ बता देना, इंपॉर्टेंट हो बताएं, 1-2 एडवांटेज 1-2 डिसएडवांटेज बता दें, दैट्स इट. आपस में डिस्कस करके करना है. आई एम ओपनिंग द रूम, देन every group will come and this presentation will be shared with everyone, right? And then you can explain from the group, then you can explain. कहीं और separately नहीं करना, इसी presentation में करना है जो मैंने link chat पे डाला है. I'm opening the rooms. Everybody please move to the required rooms. Everybody please participate. Please join the rooms. Please join your respective rooms, everyone. Everyone is requested to please join the rooms. Okay, everyone should be back now. By now it should be back. Is everyone back here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
So now no more editing can happen, right? So we are going to go with whatever we have been able to go with, right? Now I want to ask you a question. Why do you think I stopped the, why did I close the breakout rooms 5 minutes early? I gave you 20 minutes, I closed in 14. Why? Can somebody share?
Ma'am, time management.
Time management.
Yes.
To know the
and,
time.
and
Instead of waiting for the last moment, it should be.
Teamwork, ma'am, teamwork.
ये टीम वर्क किसने बोला? पहले तो मुझे ये बताएं.
उत्तम बारिक.
उत्तम भाई, बस अभी देखिए, अभी आपके ग्रुप का मैं जब देखती हूँ कि कितना आपके उस पे हुआ, मेरे को दिखाई दे रहा है सब ग्रुप्स ने मतलब किया क्या है. मैं तो ये देख रही हूँ, हर रूम में जाकर मुझे कहना पड़ा कि भाई बस करो, टीम वर्क में करो. एक ही जना टाइप करे जा रहा है. व्हाई? When everybody has the access, doesn't work like that. But at least it's good that you recognize what was the intention, right?
Yes, ma'am, we have done.
I know you've done. I know
At
you've done.
beginning, we did not knew that each individual in the group has to contribute their work. Later, when
Exactly.
you told them,
Exactly, ma'am.
Madhu, idea वही तो था कि when you see unforeseen situations, then what do? We rely on each other's strength. That's most important, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Also recognize what is wrong, what went wrong. That is the reflection. What you guys are doing right now is reflection, right? However,
We
the
are
project,
waiting for someone to do our task. So we
Yes.
are relying on others.
sometimes we have to rely on others. Like when I went to group 2, somebody shared that, this is a situation I cannot do, or somebody else shared that, I am only doing, then it doesn't work. The others have to jump in at the last minute if they want the success. Like when we do Viva as an external examiner for the groups, what do we say? If you've made in group, one person's Viva marks will be reflected on the other. Don't we do that with children? Same thing is with you. If one person loses, everyone loses. If one person wins, everyone wins. A team is a team. There is no I in a team. It's a we. Okay. Now let us look at the presentation skills. Now, every one of you was a part of creating a teaching resource or a learner resource for students. Okay? One group went in with star topology, another went in with ring, bus, mesh, hybrid. So you discussed what could be the definition, what could be the pros and cons. Are there any important points of reflection or information that we need to share with each other? Now, one group was focused on only their group. So they are expert groups, right? They are expert in their information. Fine. Now, what do we do with this? Every group will come up over on the stage and they will share about what they have explored, what they have researched, what is the importance of that particular group title. जब स्टार टोपोलॉजी वाले आएंगे उन्होंने सिर्फ स्टार के बारे में पढ़ा है और वो स्टार के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, करेक्ट? Others will be listening. Okay? Then second group comes, they talk about ring. Third comes, they talk about bus. सब सुनने के बाद everyone will be giving a test. Now, teacher is not teaching at all. But where is the planning? I have already planned way ahead for you like this. Because I gave you the activity, my planning was here. So the more the work that I do outside the classroom as a teacher will help my learners inside the classroom. Okay, because my resource was ready, because my assessment plan was ready, because my lesson flow was ready, how much time I'm going to give you? Am I mapping my competency skill over here? Yes. You guys, मेरा आज का competency skill था research. आपका research करना, जिसमें आपने definition, images, वो सब चीजें किया. 21st century skill आपने use किया technology का. Then you talked about teamwork. You talked about time management. We did not start the lesson by saying, आज मैं तुम्हें time management सिखाऊंगी या मैं आज तुम्हें research करना सिखाऊंगी. You did that all on your own. Right? And how did you do that? It was just a pedagogy you applied inside the classroom. Right? Small pedagogy by which every single child has become an expert in one type of topology. But when he hears from the others what is the importance of that particular group, they will imbibe information. क्या मैंने क्लास में जाके नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजीज पढ़ाया? नहीं. क्या मैंने कोई रिसर्च करी? नहीं. मैंने सिर्फ एक पेडागोजी अप्लाई करी. And children have become the owners of their own learning. So what did you do? You became the owners of your own learning. ये पूरा एक्टिविटी मैंने ये एग्जाम्पलर में एक्सप्लेन किया है जो आप अभी कर रहे हैं, right? So when you do this, you become, now everybody, whether it is Jyoti, whether it is Uttam Bhai, whether it is Priyanka, whether it is Saurabh, anybody who belongs to any group will listen to the whole presentation and imagine within 10 minutes, जो मैं शायद individually जाती बनाने, I have a lesson resource ready forever for all the students to refer back to whenever they want to learn about the topology. Do we agree? If we agree that this resource was created by collaboratively by everyone, give me a thumbs up in the chat right now. Give me a thumbs up in the chat. Right? Have we created? Write yes or write a chat make the chat interactive right over there. See? Anshu sir agrees, Saurabh sir agrees, Nimesh sir, Paresh sir, everyone agrees to it. That we have created a resource by collaborating together. Right? So now I'm going to bring forward every group to talk. The screen is shared by me. When that group comes, one person or 2% could share what is that particular idea, what is that particular topology, and then we all can learn from it, and then we can give a test. That's it. That's a reflection of learning. So we are doing peer learning also. We are doing reflection also. We have learned a competency skill also. Our pedagogy was mapped to that this thing. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And again, I keep on telling you, please go use this Harvard wala project. Harvard Zero project use karo. Here in the thinking routine toolbox, you have all these activities. Ye dekh rahe ho? There are so many things that you can explore. Any core thinking routines, digging deeper into ideas, ये सब activities यहाँ पे given है जो मैंने एक उठाया. That's it. Let's say jigsaw. अच्छा jigsaw नहीं है इसके अंदर maybe, but because I've been using it for a long time, it's there. Use it. Think, puzzle, explore. Ways to think, ways things can be complex. Creative hunt. Imagine if your friends in the social science class or a sociology class or a history class are talking about let's say revolt of 1857, and you're using this technology, you're using this, imagine if, right? If you're using this activity, right? So in this activity for younger children or for bigger children, if you're looking at, imagine if you're a particular object. If you're a table, what do people use you for, right? If you're an apple, what are you giving to the people? That is for junior students. But if you're looking at like revolt of 1857 or Mahatma Gandhi, imagine you are a Mahatma Gandhi, and what all do you think? So activities can be planned anyways. ये छोटे छोटे examples हैं, but they go a long way in making your life very easy. Trust me on this. सिर्फ इतना लिखना है project zero, you will have access to it, right? So my suggestion to you is इसको extensively use करो. सिर्फ AI जो मैं बताती हूँ वो मत use करो. Use actually the thinking routine toolbox. That's very interesting for you to go for. Okay, filter करें what works the best for your class and then use it. I'll just put this down again if you want in the chat for you. Go for it. Explore. People are using it in their PhDs. Why wouldn't you want to use it in your class? Go ahead and use it extensively. Okay, so let's just come back to this, and I'm going to invite every group to come. And if you have a question, you can unmute yourself and ask. If you not from that group, the other group. If, for example, when STAR is being explained, I will give every other group an opportunity to ask one question at least. Okay, group 1, will you please come forward? Nimesh sir, Sachin sir, Saurabh and Sunil sir. Who shall be explaining about this? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
who is speaking?
Ma'am, Saurabh, ma'am.
Okay, please go ahead, sir.
As we have a task that we have to create a presentation on the star topology. Here, we have us 4 members: Nimesh sir, Sachin sir,
You don't have
me.
to tell me
and
that.
Saurabh sir.
You don't have to tell me that. Everybody
Okay.
knows who's there. You just have
Okay.
to tell us about star topology
Yes.
in 100 words total.
Okay.
Or
Okay,
again,
ma'am.
two
Okay.
slides. That's it.
The star topology means a kind of physical arrangement between nodes and connections. So that's why there's a central hub which control all the nodes. If the one nodes want to send any information to another node, then this packet should be come from the sender to a central hub and then forward to the specified receivers. That's it.
Okay.
This is here in this topology, the main role to control all the transfer, forwarding the packet is switch. Okay. Here, add and remove node is very easier than other topologies. Okay. And fault detection, fault isolation, as well as is very easy to perform, and it especially work in LAN area.
Okay. Okay.
Here is the diagram. Yes, ma'am.
I saw that. We saw that. I'm
Okay,
hoping
now,
everyone saw that.
yes. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Very reliable than other topologies because it works in a very it efficiently works in a LAN area. As we specified earlier, fault detection isolation is very easy to track. less due to each node having a special their own link, so less traffic congestion occurs in such types of topology.
Okay.
Disadvantage is due to control by a switch or hub. It means it is act as a central controller. If it fails, then the entire network get fail. On the basis of distance to the hub, the length of the cable varies, which require extra hardwares. Like if the length of cable is more than 100, then the repeaters are required. So hardwares are more, can become overhead. Add nodes up to the limit. It means if switch and hub, due to switch and hub have a specific number of ports, you can add nodes up to a limit.
Okay. Okay.
More expensive due to required extra hardwares, as depends on the length of cable required.
Okay. That makes a lot of sense. Other students, anybody has a question? From other groups, is it what Saurabh sir just explained was very clear to everyone in STAR? Nobody has a question, because I don't want anybody to fail in the exam today. So please make sure you're asking questions. If you have a doubt about STAR topology, ask right away. I'm just conducting you people as a student. Disclaimer. So I'm just going to randomly ask. Jaya, I'm just going to call you guys by your first name. Jaya ma'am, did you understand everything today in the class?
Hello.
Did you understand everything that sir has explained in the class? Do you have any?
Hello.
No. So you have no doubts. Great. Nice to know. Manju ma'am, do you have any doubts? Manju ma'am, do you have any doubts? Okay, I'm assuming since she's not answering, Manju ma'am has no doubts. Priyanka, do you have any doubts? Okay, since nobody is wanting to answer, I'm assuming everybody should 10 on 10 in the
Clear, ma'am.
Great. So I was actually just, I know all of you know about STAR topology. The only reason I'm calling you out was to understand whether what sir has, as a student, your fellow student has presented, whether you were aware of what he was talking about. That's all. I know all of you know about STAR topology. You are teachers, Baba. I know you would know. But we are all portraying a character over here in this role play right now. Okay? Great job, team 1. You did great. Everybody has understood about STAR topology. Group 2, please come forward. Please share your learnings with everyone. Jaya, Gaurav, Madhvi, Priyanka, who is showcasing your work? Team 2, who is presenting? Nobody is sure. Should I move to team 3?
Ma'am, I'm presenting.
Please bataye.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, our topic was bus topology. So, bus topology is the topology in which all devices are connected in a linear medium. They are connected to a single cable.
Okay.
And it works like, ma'am, when a device sends a signal, it is.
Okay, let's pull up the diagram. Now explain.
Yes, ma'am. If like in a bus topology, all devices on the network are connected to a single cable.
Okay.
And each device using a connector to tap into the cable. When a device sends the signal, it is broadcasted to all other devices on the network. And ma'am, it is easy to expand the network, because easily any number of devices can be added.
Okay. What are the disadvantages that you've posted, your group has posted?
Yes, ma'am. It is not good for large networks, ma'am, because identification of problems become difficult. So it is not good for the large network. And this network topology is slow as compared to other topology. And it is
Yeah.
also
right.
not cost
Anybody
effective.
else from the group would like to share?
Yeah. If you want to add any new device, and if you are adding new device, then the network will be closed. If you are adding one more
Is it the
device.
advantage? Is it the disadvantage?
So compared to other networks, the cost of the cable is good, and it is preferable for more advanced.
Okay, okay. Now, team
Yes,
2, I
sir.
have a problem here with you people. You did not write the advantages. Why did your group not write the advantages? And I am personally holding all 4 of you responsible for it. Jaya ma'am, Madhvi ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, and I remember Gaurav was also there. I think he's not in the meeting anymore. But why did your team not post the advantages? We're all sounding like teachers and students inside the classroom. Students being silent and teacher asking the same questions 5 times. Okay.
Once I started typing, bus stop has come and I get on from the bus. Sorry for
No
that.
worries. So Jaya,
Actually,
do
we
you,
divided the work, ma'am. Actually, we divided the work.
so how can we get better on this? Group 2. How can we get better at this? No worries, Jaya, it's fine. I understand. I understand. I'm just going to mute you right now. There's a lot of disturbance at your end. But Madhvi ma'am, I would want you to unmute yourself, please. Madhvi ma'am. Guys, if you don't participate, then there is no fun in it. Madhvi ma'am, please unmute yourself. Okay, that's fine. So group 2, because 2 of your members did not participate, I'm sorry to say you might be losing the marks today. But I hope the information that you have transcribed for everyone about the bus topology, they were clear. Anybody has a doubt inside the class? Any student
Yes,
can ask a question.
Yes, ma'am. As a curious child, may I ask that why it is called bus topology?
Yes. Priyanka, please answer that.
Because devices are connected in a linear fashion. They are connected like a bus.
Good. Just because you answered that question, you're getting +1 now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Uttam sir,
ma'am.
and thank you, Priyanka, for answering. So
Thank you
some
so much, ma'am.
place was there. Okay. See, this is how you prompt the children. This is how you get them to unwind and talk. That's how they take the ownership. Okay. Good. Group 3, who's going to come here?
Yes, good evening, everyone.
Yes.
Like after knowing more about bus and star topology, let us move on to the ring topology.
Yes.
The devices connections like which are very close and circular path. The data will travel in a circular path. So that's what we call it topology. And here each network or device is connected to 2 others like points in a circular motion.
Okay. So let's move on to the next slide. Your team has actually given a lot of information. So could you share?
Yes, ma'am. Like why we have to use like ring topology, which enables an organization to double down on issues quickly and resolve them, and moreover, like placeholders for transmitting data frames and sender receiver addresses are present on the empty token, and in this setup, each device is connected to exactly 2 other devices, creating a continuous path for data transmission. If the network supports dual ring, data is transmitted in the other way to the destination if a node in the ring is idle and communication is disrupted.
So is my question, Madhu ma'am, over here, that is it only unidirectional?
No, ma'am. It's data will travel in both the directions. Like
Okay, okay, but it will. Anybody wants to support or argue on this?
Ma'am, I
Okay.
think the data travels in unidirection.
In unidirection. So here, team 3, would you like to
Yes.
contradict? Team 3, would you like to contradict? Okay, Saurabh sir, your teams win 1 more point. For they are not answering. So again, Madhu ma'am, your team, Dhirendra sir, anybody from your team, Manju ma'am, Jyoti, please support your presenter. Advantages, disadvantages. Saurabh's team is already 1 more point. Yes, go for it, Jyoti.
Yes, ma'am. The advantages are equal access to all the resources, means all the nodes which are connected in the topology are given equal access.
I want you.
Server.
I don't want you to read it. I want you to just give me 20 words. Advantage, 20 words, disadvantage. I can see it on screen. Everybody can read it, but just compile it together in 2-3 sentences and give it to us.
Okay. Server is not required here. So
Good.
it is cheap and easy to install, easy
Right.
to manage.
Okay. And what are the disadvantages?
And disadvantages are slower than bus topology, expensive, addition and deletion is difficult,
Right. Very,
and
very good. Very good. We'll stop with that only. It's great learning over here for everyone. Anybody has a question and wants to gain 1 more point for their team?
Yes, ma'am.
Please go for it.
Ma'am, so I wanted to ask that if any one of the node gets disconnected or damaged, then what about the other nodes? It will work or?
Jyoti, you can answer?
Hello.
ma'am, I think if one of the node gets corrupted or
Right.
something happened with that node, in that case, I think the topology will stop working.
Okay. Good answer. Thank you. Thank you very much. You win 1 more point for your team. Very good. Go for it. Team 4, who's coming up now?
Yes,
Team
ma'am.
4. Yes. Go for it. Anshu sir, go for it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, my topic is means our topic is mesh topology, ma'am.
Yes.
So,
I was just to correct you on that.
yes, ma'am. So, so in this topology, this is a type of topology where every node or device or computer is connected to every other device.
Right.
Device. So, so in this topology, all the devices can send and receive the data at
Okay.
their end, at their end.
Right.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what do you want to talk the most importantly about this slide?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, every node can send send the data to all other nodes, and it can receive the information as well, ma'am. Receive the
Right.
signal from other device, ma'am.
So we can see we talk about scalability, redundancy,
Yes.
point happens. We see that.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Your team, would you like to share what is the advantage of it and what could be the possible disadvantage of it, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, advantages of mesh topology is a fault can be easily identified, ma'am. So, so whenever we get any fault, we can easily identify it.
Okay.
And also, ma'am, if we add a new device, then the data transmission will not affect others, ma'am. In this case.
Very good. Very good. And what
yes.
actually comprises of what could be the biggest disadvantage that this could be offering?
Installation is difficult, ma'am, in this case, and cost is also very high in this case. Maintenance is high, high cost,
Okay.
costly, and also installation is difficult, ma'am, and lot of power for all the nodes. So, ma'am, so every time all the system needs to be activated. Means मतलब हम हमेशा सभी सिस्टम को ऑन रहना पड़ेगा, मैम, इसमें.
Great. Good job. Anybody from the whole room would like to contradict, ask a question?
Excuse me, sir, one question.
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, if any node is not working, so other node can also work or disturb, or
No, sir.
what is the
Sir, other node will easily work, but only that the affected node will not work. Only the affected one. The remaining network will work, sir.
Yeah. Good job. Very good, Sachin sir, for picking up that. And very good, Anshu sir, for giving an answer. Both of you win a point for your team. Great
Thank you.
job. That
Thank
means
you.
Sachin sir was listening and Anshu sir knew the answer. Very good. Team 5, who's coming up on? Arindam sir, Basant sir, कौन बोल रहा है? Basant sir, not
Yes,
sharing.
ma'am. Arvind will continue, sir.
Please continue. बताएं.
Good evening, ma'am. Arindam here.
Good evening, sir.
Ma'am, we had, as the number of the group, it is coming to higher group. So basically, the number of participants is also going down. We had 3 of us, Basant sir and me were
It's
only.
perfectly fine.
So
What's that?
topic is hybrid topology, and basically it's a combination of 2 or more different types of topologies.
Okay.
And so either we can have star ring or star bus or something like that. So this is hybrid topology. And
So,
obviously,
okay.
yes, ma'am.
Go for it.
Obviously, it is like when we combine these 2 topologies, it has got certain good thing. If I take a real life example, like if we are connecting 2 banks, for example, one of them is having a star topology and another branch is having a some other different type of topology. They can communicate between themselves. So this is a good example. And similarly, it can happen in any other places, like any other types of working atmosphere. We can have 2 different topologies getting connected, and both of them can be interconnected, and then we can have this hybrid type of topology.
Okay.
And
Makes a lot.
this is, yes, ma'am.
What are the pros and cons?
Yes, ma'am. It's first of all, it is I find it is very efficient. It is very efficient, and this topology, it will allow you or accommodate anybody for more network traffic between segments, like star bus topology. The new components can be easily added or removed without affecting the entire network. Similarly,
Okay.
for hybrid topology, suppose it will provide a higher flexibility or good techniques to increase efficiency in the next level. Similarly, with star bus topology, new components can be added and removed. So these are some important things. And apart from that, adaptability also, plus fault tolerance, we can find out fault if it exists. And
right,
obviously more network traffic, it can be accommodated. And the cons, again, it is the same thing, like high costing, part installation challenges, and hardware equipments, more complicated things. And again, if there is a fault which is at a different place, it's very difficult to fix that fault. So these are certain disadvantages of
very nice. Now, anybody has a question and would like to contradict or ask a question or query?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am. I have also a question.
Okay, go for it. Arvind sir, first आप पहले जाएं.
Yeah, sir. Actually, what type of organization prefer this topology?
It can be banking sector, sir, because I have personally seen it in my locality, not here. I am at a remote place. When I've been to a place called Bilaspur, I've seen a Dena Bank has got this type of things. There is a star topology and the branch which is there, the administrative part of it. They have a different type of topology. Both got connected, and that's a hybrid topology which they had been using. I've seen a real life example over there.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, you had a question? Oh, sorry. Anshu
Yes,
sir,
sir.
you...
Yes, sir. So, sir, what is the need of hybrid topology? If we have 4 topology, so we can manage that. So why we need hybrid topology?
Sir, at times what happens is you have 2 different networks at 2 different locations, and you require to connect them for certain purpose. So that time we require it.
Okay.
We may not go for a huge network, but there are 2 small networks and they get connected. So maybe 2 different types of networks. I think hybrid topology would solve the purpose.
Great job. Great
Okay.
job for sharing the ideas and answering the questions with a lot of confidence. And I would also like to say very nicely to Anshu and Anshu sir and Arvind sir for picking up the point. This is what you've got to bring, that अब देखो टॉपिक बहुत छोटा सा, 40 मिनट्स में आपने पूरा टॉपिक कवर कर लिया, आपके पास एक लर्नर रिसोर्स बन गया, आपने कॉम्पिटेंसी फ्रेमवर्क के साथ अपनी पेडागोजी इंप्लीमेंट कर ली, एंड even if this was just an introductory session, you could do it. Now the question comes that is it necessary to use a device for it? No. You could easily just go and use simple paper sheets. एक चार्ट लें, 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करें, चारों ग्रुप्स को एक एक चार्ट दें, let everybody come and whatever they have written on the chart paper, that small sheet of paper, let them just explain, let them just draw and just showcase. आप उसको क्लास में क्लास बोर्ड पे लगा दें, आप जब तक वो लेसन चल रहा है आपके पास वो रिसोर्स ऑफलाइन है, आपका चार्ट का क्लासरूम का डिस्प्ले भी बन गया, लर्नर रिसोर्स भी बन गया. So what I'm just trying to say is that it is not necessary that every activity has to have a digital support for it. कि भाई हमारे को तो मिला नहीं तो हमने किया नहीं. आप उनको वीडियोस दिखा सकते हैं, आप उनको, अगर आपके पास 4 डिवाइस भी हो, हर ग्रुप को एक डिवाइस दे सकते हैं where they can research, or you can give them as a homework activity कि इस पे आपका ग्रुप है, रिसर्च करके आएगा और आप लोगों को आकर के प्रेजेंट करना है. So it is up to you how you flip the classroom. The better the planning that you have, the better the outcome is going to be. So all the things that I wanted to do today, create the temperament of recognizing the competency skills, time management, teamwork, collaboration, support, asking questions, peer review, peer learning, you've done that today. And most importantly, you created a resource. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm posting one link. Now I'm assuming that after this lesson, because all my students in the class were very intelligent, few of them asked questions, few did not. I'm hoping everybody knows the answer. It's perfectly fine. Parishar is not an issue. Everything is on the LMS. You can look at it and you can revert back also in your own time. So I've posted a quiz for everyone. I want everyone to please join this quiz link. Who is there? Everybody please join the quiz link immediately, so that we can finish off on time for once at least. Hurry up people, I need to see the people joining in. Please don't use names like that. I'm going to be removing you and you're going to be starting again. Who is VGH? Guys, who is VGH? Sorry? Is anybody using? Yep. Please
hello,
go for
ma'am.
it. Parishar, I understand. Is it?
Ma'am, I am traveling actually and feeling, say, frequently my network issue getting disconnected, ma'am.
कोई sir, LMS में सब कुछ है. You can have access to everything. Don't worry.
Can I attempt later on, ma'am?
सर क्विज तो छोटा सा है, यहाँ पर बाद में आराम से कर लीजिए, लेकिन फिर देख लीजिए क्लास में सबके साथ चल रहा है तो आप देख लो.
ओके, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ.
ठीक है. I can see everyone. Come on guys, हम सबने अभी नेटवर्क्स पढ़ा. Let's see who's the leader right now. Oh, wow, Arindam sir, you are leading. Very good. Let's see the results today. क्या रिजल्ट आता है हमारा? किसने ज्वाइन नहीं करा? कौन है वो बच्चा? चलें जल्दी जल्दी करें. I would want to see who is doing what. Let's remix and get this thing fast. Yes, I can see people attempting the quiz. Let's see who wins it today. Which was the student who was listening to everything that everyone was saying? And then I'll show you something, another very interesting thing today. Let us see who is the topper so far. Oh, wow. Arvind sir is leading. Very nice. Very nice. Hurry up, people. Hurry up, people, hurry up. Hurry up, everyone. Let us refresh and see who's winning, because I want to show you something very awesome. Oh wow, Arindam sir, top. Jyoti, last question. Everybody is just about to finish. Hurry up, sir. Everyone. So that I can end the quiz now. Okay. 1 more minute. 30 seconds more. Are we done? Okay. So let me just refresh the screen and see who should we give the best kudos to. Oh, great. So we have Devinder sir, Jyoti, Arindam sir winning the quiz by getting 100% result. Very nice. Very first attempt you get this. Good job, guys. So do you see आपका एक ही क्लास में कितना सारा? It's okay, Paresh sir, it's perfectly fine. It's on, आप कभी भी कर सकते हो. The challenge here is, can somebody tell me what was the advantage of this assessment for me as a teacher? Can somebody unmute and share?
We'll come to know the progress of the children, ma'am.
Yes. And what will it help me further? Can somebody...
What next step to be taken to improve further?
Yes. So I understand.
Feedback or reflection on our topic.
Yes. What else? Maybe if there is a certain question, if I look at the overview as an example, koi bhi quiz hoga, there will be an overview. So I will know that there are certain questions jahan sabse zyada percentage kam hai. ठीक है, accuracy के point से. So I will try and see, maybe this is something that I need to work on, and maybe I will see there are certain students जिनका खत्म नहीं हुआ time से. I need to sit with them separately, make sure कि उनका clear हो, right? So again, any particular assessment helps you, whatever format you pick up, whether it is written, whether it is quiz, whether it is direct questions, anything will help you understand. So अब वही देखिए 40 minutes के एक लेसन में आपने सिर्फ एक लेसन को अनरैप नहीं किया, आपने actually, what did you do? You got a resource ready, you got children to participate, teamwork, collaboration, time management, you got them to answer questions even on the topics जो उन्होंने नहीं भी करे थे, correct, जिसके ऊपर उन्होंने research नहीं भी किया था, but because they were listening from their peers, they were able to answer the questions. Okay, so this was just a demo exercise for you to understand and go for it. So this is just a small example. Now I want to show you something very interesting. Like I told you that quizzes now has AI integrated into it. What have I done? I picked up the student responses जो PDF के थे. I downloaded this as a PDF, जो भी आप लोगों ने बनाया, ठीक है? I went to quizzes and I just created a quiz of 3 questions from this itself. जो resource material अभी आपने मुझे दिया, so what did I do? I simply went to click on create. I said create a quiz, right? मैंने simply upload किया एक document from my device. I picked up the, जो अभी ये presentation है, ये उसी का ही downloaded PDF version है. मैंने upload किया, and once it is there, I'm also giving the student an opportunity to read it while I'm doing it. Okay, I can decide how many number of questions I want. I can allow the student to read along with the whole presentation. If it's an open book, अगर आप उसको खाली lesson plan create करने ही दे रहे हो, it takes about 2-3 minutes to generate. So that is why I'm just saying, the moment I clicked on generate questions with PDF, this is what was created, right? अगर मैं इसको publish करूं या अगर मैं इसको play करके दिखाऊं, तो I can actually write it down. The kind of question, if you want to change the type of question, how much minute you want to give it, you can of course edit anything in that you're already aware of how to create it. But all I'm just saying is कि जो resource create हुआ, उसी resource से मैंने within seconds, I created a assessment there and then inside the class. So you can do so many things with generative AI also. मुझे जाकर research भी नहीं करना पड़ा.
Great, ma'am. Great. Customized, we can create customized
Exactly.
quizzes.
तो आप कर ही सकते हो. All I'm just saying is, देखिए आपके पास एज अ टीचर कितना एडवांटेज हो गया, आपका भी रिसोर्स पूल बन गया, करेक्ट? सो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, plan the lessons in a creative manner. Get the children to have fun in technology class. Theory classes तो वो बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में भी पढ़ते हैं. हमारे सब्जेक्ट को they should be able to, learn it and inspire them with games, with technology, and what all you can do, make it more lively. That's the end goal, so that the learning happens. That's what the dynamicism of your classroom should look like. Okay, so that was all for today. I want everyone to go to your LMS. Please go to your feedback forms, and there is a feedback form 7 which you are going to do. And additionally, I would want to say that next, I think we are meeting for our last session next week, which is going to be my last session for you for this session. So 8 of the sessions that were planned for you are already done with you. You have the resource material, the content, everything with you. You can go ahead and explore. Everything is there on your LMS. If you have anything that you feel that you want to discuss with me, please go through the last 6-7 sessions, the recordings, the content material, whatever you feel you want to discuss or check with me. You can come to the next session. That will be your last session. We can have a discussion around it, and we can close on a very good note before we meet next year again. So please go ahead and fill the feedback forms for your attendance for today. And if there is any other feedback form prior to this that you attended the class but did not fill in your feedback for attendance, please go ahead, because I remember on one of the sessions, I think the feedback form link was not there. So we need
last,
15th, I think, right?
excuse me, ma'am, feedback form to fill for the 6th session, but still it is showing that it is not like.
You don't worry about that. They will check out. If you could you share your screen and show me?
Yes.
I'm just stopping the sharing.
Ma'am, this is Arinda, ma'am, and the same thing is for feedback 1. Although I filled it up, but it's still showing.
Okay, it could be some technical fault probably. You could fill it up at your own end, but I will recommend that whatever resources I've posted on the LMS, you should go and must try it out.
Right.
Could you show me the screen? अरे बाप रे, इतने open है मधु मैम, कितने.
Ma'am, I was working for the school since morning.
Okay, I understand. Do you find where is the? Yes, I think if you could share your LMS screen.
1 second, ma'am.
You could pause the share. You could
Yes.
pause the share and go to that screen and then open it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody in the meantime wants to share anything exciting that they learned today, would want to take it forward, would like to talk about it before we close? Okay, I think everybody was excited and not excited at the same time.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Please go for it, Jeff.
Ma'am, I have some problem with my LMS. When I'm logging into that, I'm unable to log in.
Please,
So through this link, I can attend for the classes. But when I'm opening that LMS, I'm not able to attend. Because I'm not able to. Then what I have to do to whom I have to contact.
Thank you. Anybody else would like to share their thoughts? Sachin sir?
Ma'am, feedback form is not opening. Feedback 7 at.
Sir, कोई तो screen share करके दिखाओ, then only I can call the central team.
But for me, it is opening, ma'am. 7 is opening. Maybe some other problem.
Sir, if it is opening for you, could you share the link on the chat for them?
One second.
Yes, ma'am, it's opening, ma'am. For me also.
Sir, if you could just check.
Excuse me, ma'am. I think my screen is visible now.
Yeah, it says, Badhuman, that you've already responded.
But ma'am, here it is not showing that I have. See, ma'am, here it show 4 out of 6.
Could you click on visit URL? Left side. जहाँ visit URL लिखा है. Click on that. It's okay. If it is saying that you've responded, it's fine. Let it be. Because मेरे पास central sheets आई नहीं है, so I don't know whether you've responded or not. That's fine.
And ma'am, even the first session, like it is showing unable.
It's okay. There could be some problem. Forget about that. It's okay.
Okay.
Not an issue. Forget about it. They will deal with it on their own central team. Anybody would like to share this, or I should close the session for today?
Share my screen, show you.
Yeah, please. So the others who have responded, you can leave the session.
Ma'am, actually, when I click on this, my screen is visible, I think so.
Yes.
So it is not opening when I click on it, feedback form 7.
Could you click on that globe?
I have clicked, but it is not working.
Could you log out and log in again? Probably, I don't know.
Ma'am, it's working.
It is.
Can somebody just share the link of 6 and 7 of lessons of this feedback 7 for sir?
Ma'am, I've already shared it.
Sir, could you check?
Okay.
Sachin sir?
I will.
And if you can see that, then I think you should be able to.
Yeah, ma'am, it is showing. I will fill this. Okay.
Somebody can share the link for 6th also for Sachin sir, then probably he can help out. If somebody can, that would be great. Okay, but please do mention that it is for lesson 6. Okay, everybody else, thank you so much for being here. And let's close the session on time for once. Thank you, everyone. Anybody has a question can stay, otherwise you can start.
Thank you,
leaving.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, ma'am.
Please go for it.
Ma'am, I have submitted lesson plan from class 1 to 5. I think class 1 lesson plans are evaluated. Rest are
I've already marked you today. Check that out.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. From my side, 1 is still left out, that I will do it.
सारे एक साथ क्यों submit कर दिए?
So, ma'am, it's very difficult to find out time.
It's okay. I understand. Please go for it.
Some other workshops are also going on for
I
STEM
understand.
and all these things actually.
Please continue, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, everyone. I hope you're done for the day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.